Every year, thousands of tons of human hair are discarded worldwide. A hidden industry few people ever see. Most of this hair is treated as waste. Dust and particles are extracted. Collected hair is shipped to recycling plants. But this discarded material has commercial value.
Tangles must be removed before cleaning.
The cleaning stage begins. Industrial detergents clean residue and oils. Impurities are flushed away.
Movement improves cleaning efficiency. Moisture is removed carefully. Cleaned hair moves to drying.
Nothing goes to waste.
Short fibers serve different industrial purposes. Color grading increases consistency.
Long strands are the most valuable.
Machines begin the untangling process. Controlled drying prevents damage.
Hair direction is standardized.
Hackling aligns all fibers uniformly.
Now the hair is ready for processing. Combing reduces knots and breakage.
Commercial sizing is essential.
Bundles are formed for premium use.
The transformation is visible. Texture styling begins. Every product is prepared carefully.
Some hair is lightened.
Processed hair dries again.
Locks the new texture.
Hair becomes extensions.
Durability is critical.
Extensions are made user-ready. Alternative extension types are produced.
Some hair becomes wigs.
Length accuracy is verified.
Precision craftsmanship is required. Quality control ensures consistency. Luxury wigs demand detail. Products are prepared for packaging.
Packaging begins.
Wigs are protected for transport. Presentation adds value. Production is complete. Global orders are prepared. Products are tracked for delivery.
Packaging completes the product. Bulk packaging is completed. Large shipments are organized. Inventory is secured. Inventory awaits shipment. Products move to logistics.
Products ship globally.
Demand is worldwide. Discarded hair has become valuable.
The finished result is market ready.
Discarded hair has become valuable.
Waste transformed into beauty. Texture defines quality.
Texture options expand the catalog. Straight styles remain in demand.
Color diversity increases sales.
The transformation is dramatic. Finished goods ready for consumers. The final transformation is complete. Recycled human hair becomes multiple products.
From discarded hair to global products. From discarded hair to global products.
Subscribe for more hidden factory processes and industrial documentaries.